Right, sorry about all that, but I wanted you to see that capacitor. Now, the only problem I have now is that the value of the capacitor is such that I haven't got one. So, what I'm going to do is show you what's going to happen with the rest of the modification, and we can go from there. It's really very simple, and yes, you do need the printed circuit board out of the case like this to do it, because any iron filings you may create would fall down onto the printed circuit board, and you'd think you'd spent a long time getting this ready, and then switch it on, poof, the magic blue smoke. So that's what I'm trying to avoid here. Okay, now this isn't the correct connector block. Turn the screen round, Raymond, and then you can see what you're showing them. That's right. It's alright, peeps, I'll remember one day. It's the Alzheimer's. Okay. No, I haven't got Alzheimer's. This isn't the connector, but I've just got this one to do this demonstration with. Now, the connector is going to be connected along there. Then all we're going to do is come out of the cable loom here with every wire. I don't mean every yellow and every black, I mean every different coloured wire. There will be equal terminals apart from the single ones like the green, the grey, the white. I think there's a purple in there somewhere and a blue. But all the reds, yellows and blacks, I shall pick probably 4 or 5, depending on how many single colours I've got. And actually, I just had a thought. If I put one connector along here for all the red, blacks and yellows, which is the 5 volt, 12 volt and ground, then I put another one there, then I can put all the single wires in there, which will make life a lot simpler for me, and for you obviously. That's why I'm showing you this. Okay, so that's the plan on that one. Yes, I have decided on a single hinge, which will also get fitted. That will go there. And then all we've then got to do is just screw it to the gantry, and we've got it hinged. Okay, so that's all I'm going to show you on this part of the video. You can mount your connectors there. Count how many single wires you've got: the green, the white, grey, blue, and I think there's a mauve in there somewhere. Yes, there is. I can see it. There it is. And a mauve. Put those connectors down there, and then put connectors along there to take equal numbers of red, black and yellow. That way you've got everything you want, because there's 4 blacks, 4 yellows, 4 reds, then you've got them all then. Okay, right, well that's as far as I go with that, because I've got to get another capacitor. I've got to find another capacitor for this. I didn't discover it until obviously I opened it up, but it works. You saw it working. So we will now move on to the next bit. Okay. Right, we're back on the Z-axis. Now, if you're wondering what the hell's going on here, I've got loads of C-clips, D-clips, whatever you want to call them, and they're either too small or far too big. So I'm now looking into the direct coupling method. Whether that will work, I have no idea. But I'm trying all these different things, and this is what research and development's all about. You try different things. If they don't work, you try something else. Because eventually you will find the solution to your exasperating situation. I mean, I've got patients. I know there are lots of people in this world who haven't. That's why I said it, exasperating. But anyway, hopefully all my challenges will mean that you avoid them, keeping an eye out for different things to do it differently. But at least the direct coupling method means that we haven't got gears to worry about, just speed, and that we can alter with PWM. And as Patrick knows, my friend in Ireland, I'm going to have to buy some more, well, not some more, but I'm going to have to buy some 555 timers because I haven't got any. Yeah, that's an old joke between me and Patrick. I've got plenty of 555 timers. Okay, so what I'm going to do, it's on this bracket which I took out of, the motor's on this bracket, sorry, which I took out of an old Mitsubishi video tape recorder. I tested the motor, it's nice and strong. It had this wheel on it for running this belt round. The only unfortunate thing is the other cog that went onto, I can't fit onto this system because I've got no means of touching the threaded bar to it. So we're going this method. I've got to cut the motor mount along there and along there. That will then give me my two mounting holes for it, and means it's going to be a lot flatter onto the shaft, because at the moment, as you can see, it's sticking right up here on the top edge. Now, once I've cut that, obviously I've then got to manufacture some form of coupling. Now, that side is what went onto the motor, and this side has no means of attaching the threaded bar whatsoever. So I am going to have to fabricate something, or look through my millions and millions of bits. I've got some more containers down the lab with washing machine bits, so I'll go down later today. It started raining again. Oh well. I was going to say I'll do it while the weather's clear. Okay, so that's where we are at the moment. The gear's coming off, the two nuts are coming off. In fact, I'll take them off now. I mean, you might find a gear system and threaded bar assembly that you can use straight away. That'd be great, because then you don't have to go through, or you won't have to go through this, because I'm showing you the pitfalls as well as the triumphs. But this will mean by a direct drive that I can happens on camera, doesn't it? Gets stuck. There we go. Right, that's the other nut off. With one nut struggling to get it off. Okay. What I'll do now is I'll cut that and I'll bring you back and show you how far out it is or whatever. Hopefully it'll be spot on, because it's only about the thickness of the motor shaft to go down to the centre, and that's about the gap I've got because of all the knobbly bits on the bottom of this plate. Okay, I'll bring you back when I cut it and then see about fixing it. Alright peeps, sorry these videos at the moment are a bit bits and pieces type thing and not a lot going on, but I need to get the Z-axis sorted, as you realise, before I can really move on to anything else. Okay.